everyone, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts. I think this was about a year or so ago, 2 years maybe, on Christmas. My daughter gave me this lantern and I am finally getting around to using it. And what I'm going to do is I have some tumbling tower blocks here and I am going to hot glue those all together and make my little self a stand, because what I'm going to do is I am going to put this candle in there. So let me get these all put together and I'm going to start decorating my lantern. Okay, I have them all put together. Now I didn't worry too much about what it looks like because this is actually going to get somewhat covered up. So I am going to stick this in the middle here. And then I have these rocks, which I'm pretty sure that I got from Dollar Tree, not 100%. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up all around the outside of these blocks here with these rocks. So, in an attempt to kind of cover up this base a little bit. So I'm just going to shove some rocks in here. I don't know why I waited so long to do this. I always have so many projects and then working full time. I just don't have enough time to get stuff done. But I think this is going to look really cute. I think I'm going to put a few more in there yet. I just want to make sure that I have a nice base for my candle to sit. So this candle, along with this one and then this little smaller one, I got these off of Amazon. And these candles are so super cool. I'll show you later when I turn the light off, but they came with a remote and you turn them on and you can change colors. So now that I got these, I can finally get my lantern put together. And yes, there is a protective thing on here right now. I just haven't taken it off yet. So what I want to do is that's going to get stuck in there. Just want to make sure everything's covered up all the way around. All right, so actually I'm going to take this cover off, and it has an on and off switch and I have it turned on. And I'm just going to set this in here, and then I'm going to put a few more rocks around there. Can't put too much because the lip isn't really very big right here. Stick that in there. Okay, then what my plan was is that I was going to take some of this greenery. Now this I got from Walmart, and actually my daughter bought me this too. And I was just going to stick some of this greenery in here between the rocks. So I just took little branches off and I'm just going to try to stick them down in here just to add a little bit of color. Now I think I need to get some in the back, so let's pull this candle out carefully here, and I'm going to stick a couple of these branches in the back. I just think the greenery is just going to give it just a, I don't know, just a little bit more. Sometimes you need just a little bit more. So if I could get more stems off of here. All right. I don't know if I like the way that one's sitting in the front there. Just maybe turn it this way. This is really hard working in this lantern. There's just not a lot of room to work around in here. See if I can find a little smaller one. No, they're all about the same size. Okay, I think that looks pretty good right there. Now I'm going to try to get my candle back in there. All right, I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm just going to shut the door here. Yeah, I think that looks pretty decent. Maybe, we'll see if I have any greenery left. I might stick a little bit more in there to fill it up around the sides. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of these branches here and I am going to hot glue them onto the front of my lantern. Like so. Probably should have cut that one a little smaller. Okay, and then I have this ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make a bow to put in the center of that. Okay, so I just used a little really tiny piece of jute that I had in my scrap bag to put my bow together. And cut that off, and then just have to make sure I get my tails about the same length. Actually, you know what, I think I'll do that once I get it on the lantern. Looks like it could be puffed out here a little bit more. I'm almost using all my greenery. There might be enough in the lantern. Maybe just one piece over here. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't put something else behind there. Or I could just put a couple leaves, actually. That's not a horrible idea. Just cut a couple little leaves off and stick it in there. Yeah, that gives it a little bit more. I know my bow is not exactly straight. Let's try to adjust that a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I think it looks like it should maybe be bumped out a little bit, but I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so I have these little adhesive dots. I'm pretty sure I got those from Dollar Tree, and I am just gonna stick a little chunk on this. Actually, I got my little cord sticking out here. Oh, geez. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stick this on here. Try to hide it behind the ribbon so it doesn't show. And then I am gonna stick some hot glue on the little sticky thing and then stick it on there. There, that bumps it out a little bit more. I think that looks good. All right, then I am just going to cut my ends here. Oh, I should have grabbed my good scissors. That's what you get. Pay attention to what you're doing. I'm yelling at myself, by the way. So I'm just gonna go up like that and up like that. There, I think that looks pretty good. And then I am almost finished. I'm not doing too much to this, but I think what I'm doing is makes it look really, bleh, I can't talk tonight. It's gonna make it look really cute. So I'm gonna take this little sprig and stick it back here. And then I have kind of a bare spot over there, so I think I'm gonna stick this in here. Like so. All right, and then try to get my light back in here. And close it up. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Well, that's all I'm gonna do to it. I think it looks good that way. Let me try to get, I'm gonna try to turn the lights on so you can see them. So this was a stand that I made a couple videos ago. And then I'm just gonna stick this candle here. All right, I'm gonna just adjust that a little bit. And then I am going to go ahead and turn the lights off. Okay, I think I have the lighting pretty good here. So as you can see, they're all on and they're all on green. And then I can change the colors of them. I can just go white, orange, there's pink. So then also it has, if you can see on here, it has a timer so you can set it. Oh yeah, you can do multicolor too. It's kind of hard. I'm having a hard time getting it on camera. Let's just go maybe with the blue. There, that color. That's pretty bright. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my video. I am going to try to link the candles in the description box if I can. So if you want to check them out, I don't know how long they last or anything. I just bought them. I just was going to start using them. So anyways, I just want to say I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.